These are some of the forms I'll be making in the class. I'll be demonstrating faceting, making tea bowls and cup and saucer. I'll be pulling the handle off the cup, making the cane handle. I use binding cane and round reed for that. Sugar and creamer, two different kinds of covered jars. One that mirrors what the teapot looks like, a lid with the flange on the lid, and another pot with the cap lid that uses the texture on top of the lid. A tray where I throw the walls, no bottom, and then I add a slab bottom to the tray, and handles on the side. I will be focusing mainly on the faceting techniques, how to add volume without disturbing that faceting. The teapot parts, making the spout, the lids, the teapot body. For the tray, how to measure how big a circle, a wall to pull out, so that this, once it's oval, the teapot set will fit in the tray.